ARC-200 Digital Refractometer Review, instant precision that ends reading errors. You're squinting through that foggy eyepiece again, trying to guess where the line actually falls. One person says 12%, another swears it's 14%, and now your entire batch consistency is a coin flip. You've wasted samples, second-guessed harvest timing, and honestly, you're tired of tools that make simple measurements feel like a vision test. Sound familiar? Drop a comment if this hits home. Every inconsistent reading costs you. Wasted ingredients, off-spec batches, missed harvest windows, or corroded machine parts from wrong coolant mix. The stress creeps in when you can't trust your own measurements. Temperature swings throw everything off, and manual correction tables feel like high school math homework. There's a smoother, faster, crystal clear way to measure bricks without the guessing games, eye strain, or operator arguments. Then I discovered the ARC-200 Digital Bricks Refractometer, and honestly, the relief was instant. Don't just grab any digital refractometer. Make sure it has automatic temperature compensation so you never deal with inaccurate readings from sample temperature fluctuations again. The ARC-200 delivers precision, plus or minus 0.1% bricks accuracy with a crystal clear digital LCD that eliminates every trace of guesswork. Just place 2 drops on the sapphire prism, press one button, and get your reading in under 3 seconds. It measures 0 to 45% bricks with effortless calibration using distilled water, and the built-in ATC adjusts for temperature automatically, whether you're testing hot wort in a brewery or sun-warmed grape juice in the vineyard. A small beverage producer told me she was seconds away from releasing an off-spec batch until the ARC-200 caught a concentration error her old analog meter completely missed. The backlit display works flawlessly in bright sunlight or dim production floors. Battery life lasts thousands of readings, and the rugged design survives real-world field and shop conditions daily. Imagine reclaiming 20 minutes every shift. No more squinting, no more debates, just instant clarity that cascades into sharper quality control, tighter batch consistency, perfectly timed harvests, and optimized coolant concentrations that extend tool life and prevent corrosion. Agricultural extension specialists across the industry now recommend digital refractometers like the ARC-200 specifically for harvest timing. And food science labs have replaced entire fleets of analog units because student accuracy improved dramatically with objective digital readouts. Manufacturing process engineers report eliminating operator reading variability completely, which solved costly machining issues traced directly to inconsistent coolant management. One dairy farmer using it for colostrum quality saw calf illness rates drop noticeably within weeks. Worried about the learning curve? There isn't one. Calibration takes 5 seconds, operation is literally one button, and anyone on your team gets identical results every single time. Cross-checked against premium Japanese brands costing 3 times more, the ARC-200 matched readings within 0.1% bricks across the entire range. Is measurement consistency actually impacting your product quality more than you realized? If this feels like the missing piece in your process, you're not alone. Thousands are already seeing the difference. Here's what actually changes. Calmer production days, faster quality checks, sharper decision-making, and the quiet confidence that your numbers are rock solid. Thousands of growers, brewers, manufacturers, and lab professionals already rely on the ARC-200 daily for exactly this reason. If you're ready to stop guessing and start measuring with true precision, the affiliate link is waiting in the description and pinned comment below. Tap it, explore the ARC-200, and experience the clarity and control you've been missing. Your process deserves better.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.